What if I told you that the world's wealthiest people are using a secret formula, one that you could start using today, and it's been hiding in plain sight? What if the key to your financial freedom has always been right in front of you, waiting for you to unlock it? Keep watching and I'll reveal how you can tap into this formula and start seeing results almost immediately. You've seen it before. The stories of ordinary people turning their lives around, achieving financial freedom, and living their dreams. But what if I told you they all had one thing in common? They followed a simple secret formula that helped them go from zero to success. The best part? It's not a complex system, and it's available to anyone who's ready to take action. The formula I'm talking about? It's not some magic pill or get-rich-quick scheme. It's not about luck, timing, or waiting for the perfect moment. It's something that anyone can implement today. But here's the catch. Most people will never use it. And that's because it requires something you may not expect: patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn. The first key ingredient to this formula is mindset. I'm not talking about some vague think positive advice. I mean the way you approach money, the way you perceive wealth. Wealthy people have a mindset that allows them to see opportunities where others see problems. They are always thinking long-term, and they understand that money is a tool to create more freedom, not just for themselves, but for others. Let me give you an example. Meet John. A few years ago, he was just like most people, living paycheck to paycheck, struggling with debt, and unsure about his future. But one day, he came across a book on personal finance. He started changing the way he thought about money, about wealth, and about what was possible. Fast forward to today, and John is now on track to retire early, completely debt-free, and living a life of financial independence. But mindset alone isn't enough. The second key ingredient is action. Without consistent action, all the positive thinking in the world won't bring you wealth. It's about the small, consistent steps you take every day. Whether it's budgeting, learning about investments, or simply putting aside a small percentage of your income. These tiny actions accumulate over time and create massive results. Take Sarah. She was working 9 to 5, but she knew she needed more. She started small by building a side hustle, investing a few hours a week. At first, it wasn't glamorous. She wasn't making much. But over time, as she applied what she learned, her side hustle grew. She took action on her knowledge, investing in courses and systems to improve. Now, she's making more from her side business than her full-time job. And it all started with one small action. The third and final ingredient in this wealth formula is leverage. Leverage is about using what you already have, your time, your money, your skills, and your connections, to accelerate your progress. This is the secret that sets the wealthy apart from the rest. They don't do everything themselves. They find ways to leverage their resources to create exponential growth. Let's look at Laura. She had a wealth of knowledge in a particular field, but she wasn't making the most of it. Then, she realized something. She could leverage her expertise by creating online courses. She didn't have to physically be anywhere to teach. She could reach thousands of people from her laptop. By leveraging her skills and the power of the internet, she created a thriving online business. Now, Laura earns more in a month than many people make in a year. So let's break this down. Step 1. Shift your mindset. Understand that wealth isn't just for a select few. It's available to anyone who's willing to learn. Step 2. Take consistent, small actions. Start today, whether it's learning a new skill or setting up a budget. Step 3. Leverage your resources. Use what you have, your knowledge, connections, and time, to multiply your results. Remember, the real magic happens when you combine these 3 ingredients. This isn't some far-off dream. This formula works for everyone if you're ready to take the first step. And that's why you need to hit that subscribe button now, because I'm about to show you how to turn this formula into your reality. Now that you know the secret, it's up to you to take action. Apply the formula today. Start small, stay consistent, and use what you already have. Watch your financial future grow as you start applying these simple steps. Don't wait another second. Subscribe. and let's build your future together. Remember, the secret isn't a mystery anymore. It's yours to claim.